In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access advanced colors in Affinity. If you've ever wanted more control over the exact color you apply to your artwork, the advanced color options in Affinity Designer are the key. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along confidently and get professional looking results right away. First, open the Affinity Designer app on your computer. Work with any document you already have or a fresh canvas. It doesn't matter as long as you can see something to select. Once the app is open, make sure you can see your canvas and the panels on the right side of the interface, where the color tools typically live. Next, click on the shape you want to style. Selecting the object is important because Affinity applies color to whatever is active. Take a quick look at the color targets in the interface. The filled circle represents the fill color and the outline circle represents the stroke. If you want to change the fill, make sure the fill target is active. If you want to change the outline, activate the stroke target before moving on. This simple check prevents surprises later. Now look toward the top right area of the color panel. You'll find a small menu icon or drop down there. Click that drop down to reveal additional options. This is where Affinity tucks away some of its more powerful color settings so your workspace stays clean until you need the extra control. From that menu, click Advanced. The panel expands to show more precise controls. Depending on your setup, you'll now see sliders, numeric fields, and different color models such as RGB, HSL, or even Lab, along with a place to enter a hex value if you have one. The advanced mode is designed to make color selection predictable and repeatable, which is especially helpful when you're matching brand colors or building a cohesive palette. With advanced enabled, select a color using the method you prefer. Drag a slider, enter exact numbers, or paste a hex code. As you adjust, keep an eye on your selected shape to confirm you're changing the correct attribute, fill, or stroke based on what you activated earlier. You'll also notice helpful variations appear, including tints, shades, and tones. Tints lighten your base color by adding white, shades darken it by adding black, and tones add gray for more muted options. These variations let you build depth and hierarchy in your design without guessing. Click any of these suggestions to apply them instantly to your selected object, and that's all there is to it. Open Affinity Designer, select your shape, open the drop-down in the top right of the color panel, switch on Advanced, pick your color, and use the tints, shades, and tones to refine it. With these tools, you'll get consistent, polished color every time.